We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more words with unexpected silent letters in English. How do you go about saying this one? The H at the beginning is silent because this is a word of French origin, and in French the H is silent, so it's the same for some of those words in English. How do you go about pronouncing this one? Honor. Honor, you do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, this would be said as honor. Honor in American English versus honor in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.